Hello everyone and welcome to Yangistan News. I am Sakshi Tande and let's begin with today's top news. To discuss COVID-19 measures, PM Modi to meet Chief Ministers on March 17. Maharashtra government suspends police officer Sachin Vaze. BJP demands cancellation of Mamta's nomination from Nandigram. Hitesha Chandreni booked under assaulting Zomato delivery boy. National Vaccination Day to be celebrated for COVID vaccine this year. We will discuss the news in details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address a video conference with all the chief ministers on March 17 to discuss over the increasing number of COVID-19 cases in the country. The PM will also pay attention on the vaccination drive going on in India and how to speed up the vaccination process. Maharashtra government on Monday suspended arrested police officer Sachin Vaze. It is his second suspension, first being in 2004. According to sources, NIA has found the explosive laden Scorpio parked near industrialist Mukesh Ambani's house was not stolen but was parked at Vaze's housing society in Thane. BJP leader Shishir Bajoria demanded the election commission to cancel Mamta's nomination, saying she has 6 cases against her, but she did not mention them in her affidavit. Also said the returning officer overlooked their request. Hitesha Chandreni, a Bangalore-based woman, booked today based on the complaint made by the Zomato guy under section 355, which is assault, 504 insult, 506 criminal intimidation of the IPC. 16 March has been celebrated as National Vaccination Day from 1995, where the first vaccine for the deadly polio had been inculcated. Whereas this year, the National Vaccination Day is going to be carried out for COVID-19 virus. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is likely to conduct a meeting today at Varsha Bungalow to discuss over ex-police officer Sachin Vaze's case. According to reports, meeting has started from 9 am today and many of the big names of Mahavikas Aghadi are present in the meeting. Priyanka Chopra's movie The White Tiger, which released on OTT platform in January 2021, is being nominated for Oscars this year. Husband Nick Jonas comes forward through social media and praises PC. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson will visit India at the end of April as part of efforts to boost the UK's opportunities in the region. Johnson, who was invited by India as a Republic Day chief guest, had planned the trip in January as part of efforts to speed up trade talks between the two nations. The foundation work of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya began on Monday with the filling up of its foundation. The 13,000 square feet of foundation will be filled with multiple layers of cohesive material which will raise the foundation to 25 feet above the ground. Before starting work on the temple's foundation, a prayer was performed at Ram Janmabhoomi in the presence of Ram Mandir Trust Secretary Champat Rai, Trustee Dr. Anil Mishra, Ayodhya DIG Deepak Kumar and District Magistrate Anuj Kumar Shah. India versus England third T20 to be playing today at Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. However, KL Rahul's form at the top of the batting is still a concern for the team and Rohit Sharma is likely to replace him as an opener in India playing 11 for third T20. Let's have a look at the headlines once again. To discuss COVID-19 measures, PM Modi to meet Chief Minister on March 17. Maharashtra government suspends police officer Sachin Vaze. BJP demands cancellation of Mamta's nomination from Nandigram. Hitesha Chandreni booked under assaulting Zomato delivery boy. National Vaccination Day to be celebrated for COVID vaccine this year. And that's all we have for you in this edition. We will meet in our next segment. Till then, keep watching Yangistan News. Thank you.